Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we are going to record a success story related to Vienna. We have a guest here, he's Tahir. He just got his confirmation from Vienna city that his residence permit has been approved. We will go in detail with him, but before that he asked me related to PR and Austrian passport. I would like to thank him to ask this beautiful question. This is a very commonly asked question, and that is this opportunity we will use to record the answer. So basically, Tahar, what happens is like when you are a student, your time will not be counted. Until you have done like 10 years of full-time job in Austria, you are not eligible to get a Austrian passport. So what happens normally is like you finish your degree within 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, or 1.5 years. It's depending upon your capacity and your schedule. After that, you will get a full-time job and apply for a red, white, red card. It is commonly called RWR card. When you applied for RWR card, the width of like length of this card is 2 years, and this card is like bound to one company only. If you are gonna switch to other company, you have to request AMS or like your Auslander office or BIHA so called, where you get your visas to switch your card to another company. So first 2 years you have to stick with one company, and you are limited to work 20 hours a week. 40 hours a week, a full-time job. And after 2 years you will get a RWR plus card, and this card is giving you eligibility to work at least 3 more years, and these 3 years are totally flexible. Now you can switch companies without any issues. So you don't have to go to other institute to get a work permit. Your work permit will be valid for whole Austrian territory. After this time, when 3 plus 2 5 year has been finished, and you must be working at least 36 months from the last 5 years. It's approximately, if you will divide like 60 months, from these 60 months you must be working at least 36 months. Then you can apply for permanent residence, which is so called PR. Okay, this
Yes,
PR
sir. Okay.
this PR gives you ability to stay until your death, God forbid. So this PR will be like a permanent residence. You don't need further visas or such things, and you are now like it's up to you. If you want to work 90 hours a week, there will be no issue. So after PR you are flexible. You can um, go to another country with the other European Union country. You can stay there, you can live like it's a PR, but it is not a passport. So for passport, there is a rule like you must be staying at least 10 years. From those 5 years must be with PR card. Okay, so these 5 years are PR card, and in your case, you can get only the PR card with these two conditions when RWR and RWR plus card is over. So, in total, you will be staying at least 10 years in Austria, or you can justify with B2 German language, and then there is a margin of 2 years of like concession. But normally this doesn't happen. There are some cases which we can say like they had done B2 certificate, but the 2 years margin was not given. So this is a smart summary how you can go towards Austrian passport. So it's a long way, but worth taking. So mainly, first 2 years are more difficult when you are stick with the one company, and you always have to go to magistrate or something when you are on a switch your company. After that, everything is smooth. You have 2 years experience, and RWR plus card gives you authority to switch your company every second day, I would say. But normally this is not a case in Austria, but anyhow, so you have to spend at least 5 years until you get a PR, and then more 5 years gives you eligibility to get a Austrian passport. Hopefully, this will clear your question, and I would like to thank you.